In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vimeo Create, a powerful yet user-friendly tool to create stunning videos quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together step by step. To begin, you'll want to head over to vimeo.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your way to crafting your video masterpiece. Next, look for the Create button, typically located in a prominent area of the page, and select Video. This is your gateway to beginning a new video project with Vimeo Create. Now, deciding on the foundation of your video is the next critical step. Vimeo offers a variety of ready-made templates to choose from. These templates range across different styles and purposes, which can serve as a great starting point, especially if you're looking for inspiration. However, if you have a very specific vision in mind, you also have the option to start from scratch, giving you complete creative control. Once you've selected a template or chosen to create from scratch, it's time to personalize it. First, replace the placeholder text and images with your own. This is where you can infuse your brand's message or personal touch into the video. Don't hesitate to experiment and make it as unique as your imagination allows. Now, when it comes to media, Vimeo Create offers flexibility and choice. You have the option to upload your own media files directly from your device, which is fantastic for adding a personal or brand-specific element. If you don't have your own media on hand, you can make use of the free stock images and footage available within Vimeo. This can save you time and ensure you still have high quality visuals to work with. As you continue crafting your video, it's essential to consider the aesthetics. Vimeo Create allows you to edit colors and fonts to match your brand or the mood you wish to convey. You can also add music, either uploading your own track or selecting from Vimeo's vast music library to enhance the emotional impact of your video. To make your video even more engaging, consider adding transitions and effects. These can help maintain the viewer's interest by making the flow of your video smooth and visually appealing. Before completion, watch your video in its entirety. This gives you the chance to make any last-minute adjustments or improvements. Once you're satisfied, save the project to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Finally, you're ready to share your creation with the world. Export your video, and you'll have the option to download it for offline use or share it directly online. Whether it's for social media, a website, or a presentation, your video is now ready to impress. And there you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide to using Vimeo Create to produce videos with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy video creating.